So for those of you who regularly follow the channel, you know that we talk about investing, personal finances, becoming the best version of ourselves, saving money, and things that we can do to better our financial situation and just our standard of living. For those of you who are familiar with the Sofi Invest Fractional Share Portfolio, you know that for the past year now, we've been investing $25 a week into this portfolio, buying both growth stocks and dividend stocks. However, if you've been following this portfolio this whole time, then you know that $1,200 a year, which is about $25 a week times 4 weeks, which is about $100 a month, which would give us about $1,200 a year, is definitely not enough to retire on. So what I want to do today is I want to increase the contribution in the portfolio to $30 and slowly increase that contribution up so that we can see what compounding does when we regularly contribute to a portfolio a set amount of money as we've been doing, but we want to increase that contribution amount so that we can have better gains and better dividends in this portfolio. And again, if you guys have been following the channel, then hopefully you're adopting some good money scripts, such as not going into consumer debt, being on a budget or having a plan for your money, and also having a good savings rate so that you have money to invest, as well as learning different things that we need to know about our money and how to make our money grow and how to be prosperous in life. I am Marie Brown. This is my channel, Minds in Motion, where we talk about personal finances, investing, and how to become the best version of ourselves. Let's now look at the Sofi Invest Fractional Share Portfolio. We are now inside of the Sofi Invest app, and as you can see, my total portfolio value is $2,533.79. Today we are down $3.01. My total contribution to the portfolio is $1,946.25. My total gains as of today is $587.73. And my total dividends since starting this portfolio in September of 2019 is just $21.22. Now, before looking at the positions, guys, as I said earlier in the video, I just increased the contribution this week to $30. And I'm going to increase the contributions each week to get it up to $50. I'll be increasing it by $5 each week till we get up to $50. And then I'll probably stay at $50 a week for a while. But in order to make this portfolio of any value and make it so that it's there for us in retirement, we know that $1,200 a year, $100 a month, is just not going to be enough. And every dollar that we spend rather than invest is a dollar less that we have in retirement. Every dollar that we spend towards consumer debt is one less dollar that we have to invest towards our retirement. And we all know that we can borrow money to go to college, we can borrow money to buy a house, but we cannot borrow money for our retirement. So it is our job to make sure that we are taken care of in retirement. And that's what I want to show you guys with this portfolio by consistently investing. It doesn't have to be a large amount of money, but enough money that you can grow that money, that you can compound that money. You too can have a nice nest egg in retirement. So as you can see, we currently have $37.44. That comes from the contribution that I made this week, as well as I sold my position in JP Morgan Chase. As you can see right here, we sold on the 10th of November, JP Morgan Chase. It was a little less than a quarter of a share, and we got $29.13. And the reason I sold that is just because I want to eliminate the number of positions that I have in this portfolio so that when I make my contributions each week, the money that I'm contributing is going to just the core positions in this portfolio. And then as you can also see, we have a sell order in for 3M. That should go through today. Usually they do their buys around 3 p.m. And that's for a little less than half of a share. And we'll have $75 in capital to reinvest back into the portfolio. And then I do own 3M in my Roth IRA, so I still will be investing in 3M, just not in this portfolio. As you can see, we still have the same amount of shares of Apple, 2.33 shares. We're up $98, which is 54.26%. BND, we have 2.56 shares. We're up $2.58 today, which is 1.16%. Tesla, we have a little over one share, up $282 for a 160% gain. VU, we're up $10, and that's a 15% gain. Amazon, I have been adding to my Amazon position. We still have a long ways to go to get to a full share. However, I'm up $45, which is 23.95%. 3M will be leaving the portfolio after today. Costco's 0.32% of a share, and we're up $20, which is a 19% gain. Netflix, a little less than half of a share, but we're up $19. I have been adding to this position as well, and that's a 10% gain. Intuitive, up $14 for a 20% gain. Kroger's, which is my biggest position in number of shares. We have 5.6 shares in Kroger. Kroger is down, so I probably will buy some Kroger today because we're down $3.66. And they do pay a dividend, I think today or tomorrow is their ex-dividend date. So I probably will add to this position while it's down. We have Microsoft. We have a half a share. We're up $12.95, which is a 13% gain. Wells Fargo, I'm just waiting for this position to recover some. I will be selling out of this position. Same thing goes for American Airlines. Just waiting for it to recover. I will be selling out of that position. NRZ is another position that I want to eliminate from the portfolio. Southwest Airline, all of these airline stocks I am looking to eliminate from the portfolio once they recover some. Trying not to sell at a loss. BP is another one looking to eliminate. Then we have Activation Blizzard. We're up just $4.79. Roku, I will be adding to this position today also when I make my buys. We're up $89.61. T is another one that I'm looking to eliminate from this portfolio because I do own T in my Webull portfolio. And then TGIF is the newest position in this portfolio, which is the weekly dividend paying ETF. We're up about 30 cents, and I'm going to be buying this today. So let's go in and let's make some buys real quick. So bond, which is BND, it's the monthly paying bond ETF. We're going to buy $5 in that because currently we only have $37.44 to spend. So as you can see how easy it is to place an order on Sofi. You just go in, put in the dollar amount that you want to buy because we are buying fractional shares. Amazon, let's add to our Amazon position today. We'll do a buy. And you can do reoccurring investments, guys, as you can see here. I usually just come in and do my buys manually based on what the stock market is doing when I make my deposits. So we'll put $5 in Amazon. And 3M, we're going to be selling. Netflix. Definitely want to add to Netflix. Go to buy. It's on. We're buying dollar amounts, not shares. We're going to put $5 in Netflix. And I will make some more buys this week. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to buy on Sofi. Kroger's. We want to definitely add to this position while it's down. Let's put $5 in Kroger's. And Sofi does not make their buys until around 3 p.m. this afternoon. They just have one buying window at this time. Let's also add to Roku because we almost are at a full share. So let's add $10 to Roku to bring us up to a full share of Roku. And then last but not least, we will add to our newest position, which is our monthly paying dividend ETF, TGIF. And currently we have $7 left, so we'll just go ahead and throw that $7 into TGIF. And now we just made our buys for today, and we'll have some more equity deposited into the portfolio after we sell that 3M position. So we'll probably make some more buys tomorrow. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave any comments below. Also, if you guys are interested in joining Sofi, I have a link to my description, a link in the description below that you guys can use my referral link, as well as if you check out my channel, you will see that I also use Webull. And Webull is always running a promotion where if you deposit $100, we both get 2 free stocks. Sometimes they're doing a promotion where we get more than 2 free stocks. So if you guys are interested in joining Webull, check out my videos on Webull, as well as I do have a link in the description below that you guys can use to get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 with Webull.